with y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in for another video. As y'all can see, y'all in for a treat today. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be pretty entertaining. It's New Year's Eve, last day of the year, man. Last day of the year. 2019 been amazing. It's been a sick year. Definitely want to thank everybody that showed love, subscribe to the channel, you know, been following and all that on this channel and the other channel. I appreciate y'all greatly. So I was like, man, I was gonna let the car sit, but I was like, man, I gotta drive John Jones one more time since it's the last day of the year. So I pulled it out, about to take it to town, get some gas. So I figured, hey, why not put wifey in the car, let her drive it. So this gonna be her first time behind the wheel. She has never driven this car. The only thing she's ever did is pulling in the garage. That's it. She has never drove the car. So this gonna be pretty interesting. I'm pretty sure y'all gonna get a kick out of this. So she just got back. She just got back from the gym and stuff. So I was like, man, come on, let's run to town. You drive the car. Let's make a little video out of it. It should be pretty entertaining. And she got a channel too, so y'all can check her channel out. Let's get her up there quick, fast, man. Let's get her up there quick and fast, man. She gonna have all type of stuff going on over there. But yeah, she about to come drive the car, and y'all just stay tuned, man. We're gonna see what happens. All right, y'all. So where you going? You gotta get the keys. Get the keys. You nervous?
No, I'm not nervous.
Yeah, okay. Don't wreck the car.
I'm nervous, but I'm not.
Do not wreck the car. John Jones. Alright, go on. Crank it up. Hope she don't wreck my car, y'all. Well, this about to be an interesting video. Wait a minute. See, look. Prime the fuel system. Huh? Alright, now crank it. Alright. See what gear you in. Push up. Push up. You in neutral. You in neutral. It's in ratchet mode. So pull back one.
Yeah.
She gonna be sitting up like this again. She get ready to shift the gears. Let's go in race mode. Get it almost away from the start. That's what she. You just about to start, then you shift up.
So I'm breaking down the two.
Yeah, shift. Go up again. Go back up. This is the main bad about you always gotta start from front. boost y'all. Tell me y'all think she's gonna take it at 10. Alright, let's get it. You a driver, huh? Boy, hey, we made it back in one piece, man. I gotta get wife out here, so y'all can get her thoughts, man. She's something else. She is something else. But she did good though. On a serious note, she did good. It's just the shifting. My shifter kind of confused everybody. Not even her. My shifter confused other people that race, which I mean, I don't know. And I get a lot of questions about this shifter too in that car. And it's a ratchet style shifter. So when it drops, it goes in ratchet mode and then it's ready to go. But other than that, I mean, with her, all she gotta do is get the shifter. Pretty much that's it. And remembering that it's a reverse manual valve body. That's what get a lot of people too. Cause more people used to upshift. So yeah, man, I'm gonna get her out here and get her thoughts on it. But it was a ride. It's on funny, I'll tell you that. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. And you know, definitely go subscribe to her channel. It's on the screen right now. Go subscribe to her channel. I want y'all to flood my wife, man. Show her love in the comments, all that stuff. Just so I'm pretty sure y'all probably see this car on her channel too. She gonna be doing different stuff. She got an old school herself. She into health and fitness and all of that. She work out, she hit the gym, food, cooking, all of that stuff. So she into different things. Hey, come on over here. Get your thoughts on this car. I told you the car mater had to use the bathroom. you had to use the bathroom. Come on over here by the car. Get your afterthoughts. So
I do a little something.
It what?
It do a little something.
It do a lot of something. What the harder part of it?
Getting used to the I can't think right now.
The shifter.
Yeah. Just get used to that. Once I get that, then I got it.
Well, you got one more tag. Got to put it in the garage. So she got to put it in the garage, and we're gonna make it happen. Y'all, so she pulled the car in the garage. It's the end of the video. Y'all stay tuned, man. 2019 was great. I hope y'all had a happy new year, man.